Google Antigravity is one of the most powerful AI tools out there. It lets AI agents autonomously plan, execute, and verify complex tasks. It's the ultimate vibe coding tool. But here's what nobody is talking about. You can make it 10 times more powerful. You can connect it to NotebookLM, Google's research powerhouse, and suddenly you are not just vibe coding anymore. You are generating videos, images, maps, flashcards, and even creating research notebooks with up to 50 sources. Whether it's a new idea, a brief, or any trigger that you set up, you can automatically kick off deep research on any topic and turn that into apps, into dashboards, or whatever you need, all using NotebookLM inside Antigravity. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the connection between Antigravity and NotebookLM. Then we'll use it to build a professional portfolio website. And after that, I'll show you how you can generate slides and infographics for that website, all using Antigravity and NotebookLM together. And if you want the exact NotebookLM and Antigravity prompts that I'm going to be using in today's video, I've put them inside the free school community. The link is in the description below. There's already over 16,000 creators already inside there that are learning stuff daily. But first, let me show you how to set all this up. So let's hop over to the PC. So now that we are over to the PC, here's where it gets stupid simple. Most integrations require you to mess with API keys, configuration files, all of that technical stuff. But not exactly this one. Head over to the free school community. Again, the link is down below, and you'll find the NotebookLM setup guide. And then inside that, there's a prompt. And all you have to do is that you just click on it, and then you're going to copy it. And then you're going to come back to Antigravity. You're going to paste that prompt, and you're going to enter it here. Okay? And that's basically it. Antigravity does everything for you. Now, here's where the magic happens. So now that we've got NotebookLM connected, you can use all of its features directly inside Antigravity. So this is actually so great because NotebookLM is basically a research powerhouse. So first, let's head over to NotebookLM and let's create a new notebook, okay? And we are going to be using this for our portfolio project. And here's what makes this so powerful. You can upload all your project information, your resume or your CV, past project descriptions, your bio, an about section, client testimonials, any PDF docs, or even just text about your work. You can add all of that here. So I'm going to be dropping my resume, a doc with my project descriptions, okay, and also my professional bio and some reference websites. And take a look. See what we're doing here? We are giving NotebookLM complete context about who we are and what we've done. Instead of Antigravity just guessing like what to put in the portfolio, it's now going to use your actual information. Now, instead of telling Antigravity build me a portfolio with zero context, we are actually going to prompt it to create a detailed portfolio website based on the portfolio notebook from NotebookLM. Okay, there we go. And now watch this. Look at what it's creating. It's a hero section with personalized copy pulled from my bio, a project showcase structure with all my actual prompts, an about section using my real background and also my experience, contact information, skills layout, basically everything. It's pulling real information from our documents and it's structuring it into a professional portfolio plan. This isn't generic template garbage. This is your portfolio. But before we make it look professional, let me show you something that most people don't even know about NotebookLM. You can generate video overviews of your content, and we are about to do that. So I'm going to ask Antigravity, generate a video overview explaining my portfolio and projects. And NotebookLM will then start working on it in the background, no switching windows, no hassle whatsoever. This takes just a few minutes, and I want you to see this. This that you are now hearing is completely AI generated from the visuals to the audio.
Okay, let's talk about a designer who's doing things a little differently. You've seen them, right? Gorgeous websites that just don't get results.
Well, this is where Lily Chen comes in. She's a performance designer. She bridges the gap between a site looking good and it actually performing.
For her, it's simple. Great design should turn visitors.
I mean, guys, just listen to that. Now, let me show you what else this combo can do. So I'm actually going to ask Antigravity to create a slide deck about my portfolio projects using the notebook that we already set up. And now watch this. It's pulling all my project details and it's turning them into a clean, professional presentation, and it's doing it automatically. And there we have it. Clean slides that are ready to be integrated into our website, but it doesn't stop there. I'm going to generate an infographic summarizing my key skills and experience. Same notebook, same connection, but completely different output. So for things like slide decks, infographics, and research visuals, NotebookLM does an incredible job. But to be honest, when it comes to creating eye-catching visuals for your website, like the hero video, the branded imagery, for all of that, I honestly prefer Higgsfield. It gives you access to all the latest AI models like Kling 3.0, Sora, Google VO3, plus also its own stunning models. You also get the video and photo editing capabilities, creative presets, and the quality it's just on another level. So I would always prefer to go down that route. Because the thing is, what separates a website that gets ignored from one that gets clicks is actually the visuals, if you think about it. And that's exactly where Higgsfield comes into the equation. Now, let's create some exciting visuals for our portfolio using Higgsfield. We need a hero section background, project thumbnails, an about section image, and maybe some custom graphics or icons. I'm starting with the hero background, and we are going to create a video for that. And I have my prompt in the school, guys. Again, the link is down below, and you can basically just go over there and copy it. Higgsfield is now working, and look at what we have. There we can see, guys, this is already a stunning video that grabs the attention immediately, and basically anyone can gravitate towards this. Anyone that is visiting the portfolio, this is going to hook their attention. Now let's generate a few project thumbnails using their simple image generator. And guys, take a look at the difference. Now, most portfolios use stock photos or generic templates, but when you have custom AI-generated visuals like these that match your brand, suddenly you look like you hired an entire design agency. Now, I have this poorly lit image of me for the About section, and I really want to use this one. So, see how the lighting is kind of flat, and it basically just gives off unprofessionalism? This is what most people would just use anyway. It's a picture of themselves, they're not really looking at the finer details, but I want you to watch this. I'll go to Higgsfield's Relight feature, and now I'll upload my image and then select the front lighting. Okay, and immediately take a look at the difference. This is what it looks like when it's shot in a professional studio. This is the kind of detail that separates amateur portfolios from the professional ones. Cool, so now let's drop these visuals into our portfolio, and now for the hero video. So I'm going to use a quick workaround. I'll convert it into an image sequence using video to JPG, and that's basically just because Antigravity works best with image inputs for now, and this takes roughly about 10 seconds to complete. Now I'll upload everything and prompt Antigravity, add the hero image sequence, project thumbnails, and about section image to the portfolio. Match the color scheme also to the hero gradient. Okay, cool. Now, let's just watch it work. It's actually finding the right places in the code, it's updating the HTML, it's adjusting the CSS, and guys, after barely even a few seconds, there we go. Look at this hero section. A completely different vibe, and okay, I think it needs a little something. Okay, so let's add some more polish. So I'll prompt it to add smooth scroll animations when navigating between sections. Okay, and perfect. Okay, I like what I'm seeing. So now I'm actually going to ask Antigravity to change the font of the buttons to something a bit bolder. And there we go. And now that's done. And this is the final result. This is the difference between a portfolio that gets scrolled past and one that gets you hired. Same content, same project, same information, but one looks like it was thrown together in about an hour, and the other looks like you paid a professional agency thousands of dollars to get. Now, before we wrap up, Here are a few quick pro tips that I can promise you is going to save you a ton of time when you are building with Antigravity. What I just showed you was only the beginning. If you want to become a power user, you need to start using Antigravity's Agent Manager. This lets you simultaneously build multiple elements of the same project at once. And let me show you how. So just go into the Agent Manager and then connect it to NotebookLM. And now I'll actually tell my agent to create a new notebook in NotebookLM about the top 3 SaaS products. Meanwhile, in my other agent, I can start building my own SaaS. That's hours saved on research for any idea that you have. Another really important thing for your projects is to set up rules. So if you have a design philosophy or a style that you prefer, just go into the top right, and then what you do is you're going to click on the 3 dots in the corner, and then you're going to go to customization. Here you can set up custom rules for your workspace or projects to make sure that your agent knows exactly how to build. So what would normally take you 6 to 8 hours of coding and design work, we did in about under 20 minutes. And you can use this exact process for your client projects, personal portfolios, landing pages, absolutely anything. Now, you've seen how powerful this NotebookLM plus Antigravity combo really is. And if you want to replicate it, all you have to do is just check out all of the NotebookLM prompts, the Antigravity templates, and the Higgs field prompt formulas inside the free school community. The link is in the description below. Go and check it out. And also, give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on those bell notifications so that you never miss another one. And as always, I will catch you on the next one.